In this quick video, I'll show you how to remove pin from Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So the method I will show you in this video is really easy and it will work every time. But there are some methods which can cause errors in your PC. So to remove our pin, we just need to go to our settings. For that we need to go to our start menu and then we can go to settings. Now click on accounts. We need to go to our accounts and now click on sign in with a local account instead. You can see I have signed in with my own account, but now I just need to switch to local account. For that I just need to click on sign in with local account. You can see my account here. Then click on next. Then type your password or pin which is set in your PC. I will simply type my password now. Once you verify your password, then click on OK. After that it will show you this page where we can change our username, and make sure to leave new password and confirm password blank because we don't want to add any password. We want to remove our pin, that's why we will leave it as it is. And then we can add our password hint. I will simply type here hint. After that click on next and then we just need to click on sign out and finish. Then it will sign out your account and sign in with your local account. And now as you can see, it is not asking me for any pin or password. I can sign in here without any password. I will lock my PC once again by Windows L, and again you can see it is not asking me for any pin or password. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.